It is winter. Christmas is here. The family is decorating the Christmas tree. They are decorating with ornaments. The family is drinking hot chocolate. It is warm and delicious. Outside, the sleds are zigzagging down the hills. They are having so much fun. The elves are dancing in the snow, laughing and smiling. The reindeer is prancing in the yard, jumping happily. It is Christmas Day. The family is unwrapping their gifts. The kids are excited. The boys and girls are playing with their toys. They are eating candy canes and gingerbread cookies. Everyone is so happy on Christmas